Definitely can help clients with automations and system improvements. One of our core values is working smarter. So how do we tackle that on the CAS team? We actually have a technology team that's out there reviewing new apps, new technology. We do demos, and then we meet as a group to see which clients can benefit from this new software. We also hold team efficiency workshops. So the entire team will meet once a year. We'll go over the client's books. We'll look at how is data being entered? Is there manual work? Can we put in an AP workflow? Can we create a payroll journal sync? Can we connect the bank feeds? Is there any automation that we can implement and remove some of that manual data entry work? We also have clients that will come to us and the current system's just not working for them anymore. They've grown too big. They need something more robust. And so what we'll do is we'll do a systems analysis and we'll look at the accounting system, third-party apps, how are they being used? How are they integrated? And then we'll talk to the client about what are your pain points? What are your future goals? And then we'll build a new system based around current needs and future needs, so they have some room for growth there.